Enjoy a perfectly brewed cup of coffee with a Café du Chateau French press. Unlike other cheap presses, this French press uses a 4-level filtration system to give you the purest possible flavor without unwanted grounds or muddiness. The base, lid, and handle are made of 304 grade stainless steel for a resilient shine and rust-free finish. Plus, the removable carafe is made from heavy, tempered borosilicate glass that withstands boiling water. Brew like a barista with the Café du Chateau French press.
Coffee notes, aroma songs. The story begins. Armed with the double German glass, strong and ready to face high temperatures, the carafe is embraced by the stainless steel frame. The perfect coffee blend, strong enough to wake you up, yet smooth enough to spoil you, now rests in your cup. This may just be the only French press on the market to have a fully encapsulated stainless steel lid. Aroma is just around the corner. No more coffee grounds in your cup, all thanks to the 4-level filtration system. Discover a rainbow of flavors hidden in tea leaves and coffee beans. The structure disc keeps all grounds in one place, releasing essential oils and flavor. Enjoying a grounds-free aroma-filled coffee with your loved one will always improve your mood. Elegantly sitting on your cup, the uniquely designed spoon is the ideal detail to a flavored experience. Spoil your taste buds with a perfectly balanced coffee thanks to the BPA-free measuring spoon. Learn the art of coffee making. The instruction book is ready to tell the story. It might be small in size, but the coffee book is rich in flavors. Your very own ticket to Aromaland. Your friend for this adventure, the French press, is waiting to be tested. Who would you buy it for?
Anna crafts and weaves and gardens. Out back is the canoe she's making out of an old tree. She likes handcrafting her coffee too, with a coarse grind for just the right amount of grit. For Anna, it's the Bodum French press or nothing. If coffee is the stuff of life, let's make it as good as we can.